Hey everyone, it's Ashley, welcome back. So I've got my makeup done and everything, I'm just missing some eyeliner. So in today's video, I'm going to be trying out a product that I've seen like dozens and dozens of times in ads on Facebook, but they finally just got it on Ulta.com and it is by VampStamp. This is an eyeliner stamp kit, and if you know me, eyeliner terrifies me, I don't like it, and I actually use a stamp pen to stamp my cat eye and then just use a normal liquid eyeliner to do the rest of it. But this is the Kitten kit, and this is 10 millimeters in size. There is also one that is 12.5 millimeters and 13 millimeters, and those are the mediums, so that means there's larges out there, but Ulta.com does not have them yet. So in this kit, you are getting the curved wing stamp, a cushion eyeliner ink, and an eyeliner brush. This whole kit retails for $29, so not too bad. So let's just open this puppy up. So on your little stamper, it tells you left, or L for left, and then right over here. So you have your two sides. So the instructions on the back say to dip it in the ink, make sure stamp is fully coated, align the edge of your eyelid and press in a quick stamping motion to avoid smears. Continue line across lid with the verge angle brush, and to complete the look, repeat on opposite eye. I'm not sure if this brush is going to be thin enough. I mean, it's thin, but I like really thin, so I may be using a Real Techniques Precision Liner brush because that guy is just really super duper thin. So first I'm going to practice one stamp on the back of my hand to kind of get a feel for this. I'm very nervous. Ooh, okay, so I was not expecting this. So the inside of this I thought was just gonna be just ink slapped in there, but I don't know if you could tell, but there's actually like a sponge in there. So you're dipping it into a soaked sponge. So I'm just gonna dip right in here. That puppy is coated. And then one stamping motion. Not bad, it's a little choppy. You know, maybe the edges aren't so clean. All right, I'm gonna clean this off so that I have a clean stamp. That's maybe one of the drawbacks of this, is that you have to clean your stamper every time, or at least you should clean your stamper every time. Whereas the stamping pens I have, I just, you know, go in and just use it. All right, so sorry if I'm looking down a lot. I am gonna zoom you guys in just a little bit so you can see my mistakes here. So I'm gonna do my best to try not to look down completely so you can see what I'm doing, but I'm gonna go in with the right side. Let me just practice like lining this up. It says online that the kitten shaped stamper is really good for hooded eyes, and that is me. So deep breath, dipping in. We got it coated. And we're just gonna stamp. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. Not bad, not good. It's definitely patchy in a little area here. Okay, we're gonna just do the other side, get it over with, dip it in, making sure this is super coated. And going over here. Okay, that went on a bit better. All right, then going in with the verge angled liner brush. Just gonna dip in lightly at first and try to finish this up. Okay, I tried to use this brush to make a better edge and kind of got a little messy, so I need to use my makeup remover pen to clean that up. It's kind of defeating the purpose of this eyeliner stamp. Okay, I'm leaving that as it is. Not touching it. Alright, so there is both liners. Not bad, not bad. Zoom out real quick. So my overall first impression of this is I like it. It looks nice. However, you know, it was a little bit of a labor of love, but eyeliner is this brush, not the greatest. I would probably stick with a smaller brush. I didn't use it. I was trying to stick with what I've got. So do I think this kit is worth $29? I'm gonna say no. I really like my liquid eyeliner stamp. I feel like it goes so much faster. It's not messy. I don't have things to clean up at the end of it. And overall, I just feel like it makes cleaner lines. This side worked a little bit better. Maybe I just didn't have the stamp covered enough. But I mean, I will continue to use it because I have it and I think it made a really nice wing. But I would maybe stick with the La Pure Original Eyeliner Stamp Pen. You can get this on Amazon. I think it's like $14.99. It's great. However, I do not use the liner part because it's just too thick for me and it kind of bleeds, so I use a different liquid eyeliner. So there is that downside. So I know this is kind of a don't really know, like it for some reasons, like it for others. So I just say use your judgment if you want to try this guy out. Definitely can't hurt. If you don't like it, you can always return it. All right, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Now go have yourself an awesome day.